Hello children, welcome to the class and you came in 11th standard from 10th. Very congratulations to you. Okay, and you have chosen the commerce stream. So all the best, right? So I will teach you business studies, right? And it is a very interesting subject. Okay, and what we are going to do today? So there are two parts basically, right? So first chapter we are going to start today. Okay, the first chapter is nature and purpose of business. Okay, so we are going to learn about business today, that what is business. Okay, so this is the first chapter we are going to start today, and in that we will do the concept of business, means what is business basically, right? Business क्या होता है? You have heard about this word business, that someone is doing that business, someone is doing that business, and in your own house also, if suppose your father is a businessman, he is doing some business. So basically what is business? In business, what they do something, some occupation they do, okay, to live their life, right, to earn money. Okay, the main motive of business is earning money. Okay, why to earn money? To live their life. आप अपनी लाइफ को जीने के लिए, अपना लाइवलीहुड को जीने के लिए, okay, we do business. Okay, so and in business the main motive is earning profit to earn profit. The main motive is to earn profit. Okay, that will consider the business. Now I will give you so many examples. We start first example, that what is basically business is. Suppose a person is there, he is having furniture shop, and in furniture shop he is selling furnitures, different varieties of furnitures, plastic chairs, almiras, stands, iron tables, okay, so many different varieties of furnitures he is selling. So in his shop so many varieties of furnitures are there. Suppose I went to that shop, okay, and in that shop I want to purchase from that shop, suppose one almira. Okay, so I am purchasing that almira from that shop, right? I have purchased that almira, suppose amount of 4,000 that almira is costing, and I have purchased that almira, right? And I have purchased that almira from that shop, okay, and that man has given me that almira, right? In return, what I am giving him? Money. Okay, so that person is earning money by selling that almira. उसने उस almira को sell किया और in return उसको क्या मिला? Money मिला. So what he is doing? He is earning profit, right? And he is satisfying my needs also. Business is what? Business is earning money. Business is an occupation in which a person will earn money with the main motive, and he will satisfy the needs of other peoples also. Okay, I have purchased the almira from that shop, right? And in return he has earned the profit, and he has satisfied myself also. He has satisfied me also. My need was that I want to buy that almira. मुझे वो almira purchase करनी थी. Okay, so वो almira जब मैंने purchase कर ली तो मेरी needs क्या हो गई? Satisfy होगी. मेरे को क्या हो गया? Satisfaction हो गया. Okay, so this all process is considered business. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Business बोलेंगे. Okay, same चीज है. Suppose a farmer is there, right? And now in present days so much wheat was there, cultivation of wheat. So a farmer, he has produced so much of wheat, right? And that wheat, what he has done, he went to the market, to the mandi, and he has sold that wheat in that mandi. Okay, and buyers are there in the mandi who will purchase the wheat, right? So that those buyers have purchased the wheat from the farmer. So after purchasing the wheat from that farmer, what that farmer is getting? He is getting money. So he is doing business of farming, right? He is a farmer and he is doing business, because whatever the wheat he got it this year, okay, what was the production was there, so he got it, he earned that money by selling that wheat in the market. So इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलेंगे? बिजनेस बोलेंगे, बिकॉज इसमें क्या हो रहा है? इसमें फार्मर का प्रॉफिट भी हो रहा है एंड ही इज सेटिस्फाइंग द नीड ऑफ अदर पर्सन ऑल्सो. सेटिस्फाइंग किसकी नीड पर सेटिस्फाई हो रही है? दैट पर्सन हु इज सिटिंग इन द मंडी एंड हु हैज परचेज्ड दैट व्हीट फ्रॉम दैट farmer. That will consider the business. Okay, let's see here that what is business basically. What they are saying, that business refers to an occupation. Business क्या है? आपका एक occupation है, आपकी एक occupation है. Suppose your father is having a garment shop, so that is his occupation. Okay, वो उनका काम है, that he is selling the garments. He is having a garment shop in which people regularly engage in activity. Business is considered an activity because all the time people are engaged in some work. Okay, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ काम में वो बिजी रहते हैं. That's why we are saying engage in activity. वो एक एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं. Farmer is doing something, he is growing some crop in the field, he is doing some activity, that is his occupation. Okay, with a view to earn profit. क्यों बिजनेस किया जाता है? Why they do business? To earn profit. Main purpose is to earn profit and to satisfy the needs of others. Okay, अदर पीपल की नीड्स को भी सेटिस्फाई करना. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड बिजनेस. बिजनेस तभी कंसिडर्ड होगा, हम उसको तभी बिजनेस बोल सकते हैं जब उसमें हमें एक प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है. ओके, वी आर गेटिंग द प्रॉफिट, देन ओनली इट विल कंसिडर द बिजनेस, राइट? बिकॉज डूइंग दिस प्रोसेस वी आर सेटिस्फाइंग आवर नीड ऑल्सो. ओके, एंड वी आर सेटिस्फाइंग द नीड ऑफ द other person also. Okay, this whole process is called business. So that's why this is called the concept of business. ये कि starting है, people so many different type के business करते हैं. business का सिर्फ एक main motive क्या होता है? earn profit. earning profit is the main motive of the business. Okay, now this is here, right? Let me remove this. Okay, I want to remove this. And business is also considered a human activity because it is done by human. Okay, we can say human activity also. इसको हम human activity भी बोल सकते हैं business को. Why? Because a person is doing, okay, he is earning profit in that human activity. क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Because person is doing, a human is doing that business. That's why it will consider the human activity. इसलिए हम उसको human activity बोलेंगे. Now let's see here. Let me take the book. I hope you all have the books. Okay. Now this is human activity. Now there are two types of activities in business. Okay, two types of activities. Two types of activities are there. Number one is economic activities, and second is non-economic activities. Okay, these are the two types of human activities. यहाँ पर I can write human also. Okay. Human activities. Two types of human activities are there. That is economic activities and non-economic activities. In detail, I will tell you in later video. In short, I will explain you little bit. Economic activity is related to money. Okay, it is related to money. And non-economic activity is related to psychological needs. Okay, psychological satisfaction कि वो आपके मन को अच्छा लग रहा है. नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी में आपका कोई भी पैसे से कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. इसमें आप कुछ कर रहे हैं, आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, you are feeling good, you are satisfying yourself while doing non-economic activity. Okay, and in economic activity the purpose is to earn the profit, to earn the money, right? So these are the two human activities in business. One is economic activity and second is non-economic activities. Okay, business concept, I hope you have understood that what is business. Business क्या होता है? In that the main purpose is business is an occupation. Okay, it is a kind of occupation in which a person will do different type of activities with the main motive of earning money. Okay, right? And two types of economic activities are there, that is economic activity and non-economic activity. These two activities I will explain you in next video. Okay, this is the beginning for you. This is the starting of the chapter, right? I hope you have understood the concept of business. Okay, that what is business. So deeply इसको understand करिए आराम से, right? In next video we will see these two activities. Okay, thank you so much.